Hi everyone! Ito yung natanggap ko na regalo sa advance birthday ko. Thank you so much sa habi ni Modra, Ginalim, kay Kuya. Thank you sa ampaw. Wow! I never expect I got ampaw. So I'm so happy to receive it. God bless Kuya. God bless the family mo. Kay sa inyo ni Modra, Ginalim. And kay partner Sherry Igar, thank you for my present. This one, I'm happy to receive this. And sa ampaw, and of course the chocolate from Sherry Igar, thank you very much. And then sa damit ko from Sis Delia na best friend ni Modra, Gina Ling, thank you very much. And of course kay Madam Carol's, maraming salamat sa dress na to, even though sinuot mo na to, but I really like it and love it. So thank you sa pagbigay mo sa akin. Hinubaran kita, Char. Maraming salamat para sa birthday present ko, guys. I'm very happy and grateful for today. I'm very happy kasi this is the first time nga nagkaroon ako ng special celebration sa birthday ko for the first time. For the first time I'm here in Singapore. So I'm very happy to receive all this. I'm so happy and I'm so glad that I have a family here in Singapore who love me unconditionally. I'm very touched and I'm so grateful for each of one of you na nagkikare kayo at nag-love kayo sa akin. Thank you so much.